Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I am the Garage Rookie, even though I don't really have a garage. But today I'm going to be showing you how to change spark plugs. I'm going to show you a couple items that you're going to need before doing it so you can do this at home and save a few dollars as well. So here we go. You're gonna need spark plugs. It was about 40 bucks. You're also gonna need a little bit. This was $1.99, which is a boot protector. You put it on the spark plugs when you change them. You just put a little bit on them. So yeah. Next, you're gonna need a socket. Yeah. So this one has a magnetic thing on the top. This is why I got it, and it gets attached to the spark plug. And last but not least, I got this, which is an extension, and just to make things easier as I pull it out. Last but not least, my bad, is the torque wrench. I also forgot to mention that I got a coin. This is to measure the gap in between the spark plugs. So, in my case, it's like 0.4, I believe that it is. So yeah, I forgot to mention that you're gonna need this. So I want you all to listen to this sound and please let me know your thoughts. Did you hear that groove at the end? Um, I don't know what it is, so if you have some idea, please write it down in the comments. But yeah, so let me start working on it. Pull these out and let's check it out. Okay, we're here, we're ready. According to the YouTube videos, the first thing that you need to do is unplug this part. And I'm going to be doing one by one, so this way I don't mess it up. Regardless of what the conditions are, I'm still going to change the plugs. Check this thing out. It looks clean, pretty clean actually. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, look. Let's see. Nice. Okay. There. Put this here for a second and check this thing out. Okay, we're back. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me move this here, but there's like residue right there. So focus. There you go. And I want to remove all of that. So I'm gonna try to use a vacuum. Let's hit turbo on this one. It fucking worked. Let's check it out with this. So I'm still getting used to how to check, Stop at 4. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, coming back at it. I'm gonna put the spark plug there. I'm going to use a little bit of like a dash on this. Not too much, but let's see. I always forget how to close this. Whatever. I'm gonna put this on the floor. No, I gotta put this right here. And then let's do this. When I hear it click, there you go. I just want to say to all the mechanics that you're doing an amazing job. I dropped this piece in there and I couldn't find it, and I have to put the cart on whatever you call those. Um, yep. So I could actually lift it and kind of look in there where it fell. Then it's a mess. I dropped this like in there, and I have chubby fingers, so I couldn't, my hands wouldn't fit, so that was hard, and I don't have any magnetic thing to pull the thing up, so that was definitely very difficult. Either way, here's the next one that I'm doing. um it looks dirty. I mean oxidized as the other one. I'm gonna open up number two. In mechanics, you are amazing at what you do. Yeah, and I hope that all of you get compensated as much as you deserve, because this is incredible work. Okay, so again, I'm going to put them side by side to make sure that they look similar. In this case, they do. I'm going to check one more time the gap in between. So I go here, here, here. Yep, that's good. All right. Then I'm gonna finish this up. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit of dash of this. There you go. Then all around it. So let's do this. I'm gonna drop it, and I'm going to move this here. But there you go. Damn, that click is amazing. I love it. Okay. I have to make an adjustment to the balls adjustment. I think it was the other thing. That one looked a little bit complicated, so I think I'm going to wait until I take the course of engines, and maybe I feel a little bit more confident to do it myself. Still, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna document how I do it. Um, but it's a little bit scary. Well, it's maybe not scary, but it looks more sensitive. So I just want to make sure I do things right. So I'm gonna do two more left, and then I'm gonna fast forward. All right, so we all set. Replace each of them. Already. Well, my tools are inside. I was gonna say I already packed my tools, but I haven't. So yeah, four spark plugs for change. Later on, something that I'm gonna do is I'm have to change the transmission oil, or like liquid, I don't know, like something transmission, and I think is below this. So I have to move all of this. That's going to be one of the videos I'll be making. But either way, the moment of truth has come. We're gonna check. Hope everything goes well. This is the test, and let's go. Okay, it worked. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Can you still heard that, right? Again, if you know what that means, is please put it down in your comments. I'll appreciate any input. By the way, thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna do a little recap of what I did, which is not really. I mean, I just changed the spark plugs. But yeah, thanks everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, peace.